Greetings to all tech explorers. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the incredible advances of technology on mega technology. The Bacchus A55 self-propelled aerator is used for processing a wide variety of materials like sugarcane waste and palm oil in almost all climatic regions. The technique is used for excavation work or for industrial mixing of substrates. The ergonomic frame design of the A55 ensures that the rotating material only comes into contact with the rotor during operation. The design of the Bacchus aerators provides easy access to all components. This in turn speeds up maintenance and cleaning of the machine. The operator's cabin is equipped with an air-suspended seat, armrests on both sides, large screens, and controls. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. The VZ850DK is a twin-shaft, asynchronous shredder powered by a powerful 16-liter Volvo Penta diesel engine. It features two tilting hoppers that help feed material to the asynchronous drive shafts, shredding waste and/or wood to a size suitable for your needs. Featuring a long discharge conveyor and a belt magnet for efficient separation, this versatile shredder has low wear and tear and even lower maintenance expenses. Ideal for use with black bags, wood waste, raw wood, etc. The P995 pontoon excavator from Liebherr is characterized by fast cycle times and high digging force. It has an operating weight of about 360 tons, an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, and a respectable 346 horsepower, and a digging depth of up to 74 feet. Its design features a large panoramic window that provides an excellent view of all the equipment. By the way, the cutting force of the equipment is 657 kilonewtons, and the breakout force is 774 kilonewtons. The longest working equipment of the pontoon monster consists of a 53-foot monoblock boom, a 36-foot handle, and a capacious 36-foot backhoe bucket. The ET120 walking excavator, independently developed by XCMG, integrates remote control, visual navigation, autonomous operation, path planning, environmental recognition, and other intelligent technologies. It can play a great role in special engineering construction, emergency rescue operations, and other applications. At present, XCMG is the only company with the capability to develop such equipment in China. The powerful 250 SM Vario quarry harvester is used for selective mining of raw material with uniaxial compressive strengths up to 120 millipascal. The 8.2-foot-wide, 8.2-foot-wide milling unit precisely matched to the job parameters with a working depth of up to 1.48 feet guarantees maximum productivity with minimal wear. In backfill mode, cut rock is dumped behind the machine, creating a level embankment suitable for crossing. The combined center of gravity above the cutter drum axis ensures maximum force transfer from the cutter to the rock. The fully glazed operator cab is equipped with a heater, air conditioning, sound, and vibration isolation to reduce operator strain and help improve efficiency. Thermite firefighting robots are some of the most powerful and reliable firefighting robots on the market. Designed to mitigate life-threatening situations, these tools provide fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering for first responders. Operated by belt-mounted remote controllers, users are provided with real-time video feeds, allowing them to traverse dangerous terrain and remove obstacles from their path while enduring extreme conditions. Thermite firefighting robots are important to have on your side in dangerous, high-risk environments. Kuaima AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. In July 2020, Camp C unveiled Europe's first locally printed 2-story house. What makes this house so unique? It is that it is printed using a stationary 3D printer on concrete. The house is 8 meters tall, 90 square meters in area, and printed on a Cobod model BOD 2 3D printer. In addition to the fibers in the concrete, the amount of wire mesh reinforcement used is minimal. The printing technology used made formwork unnecessary, saving about 60% in material, time, and budget. Adding up all the days, it took only 3 weeks to print the house in Camp C. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails makes spreading large volumes effortless. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. The Brachy P22B seeder is suitable for seeding on both flat and sloping areas. It is a fully mechanized seeder that can perform all stages of planting, working on previously unimplanted areas to establish a new forest. This model is a reliable machine that allows you to work in both implementation and reforestation plots. Optionally, the Brachy P22B head can be fitted with irrigation and fertilizer systems. Irrigation is carried out with water or a water-based gel applied to the soil around the seeding during planting. Fertilizer can be applied in different ways, depending on the option selected. The P22 model uses a rotator and double linkage to position the seeders in the correct seeding position and to ensure that both seeders are in contact with the ground. The double linkage allows the seeders to follow the ground contour without the need for operator input. The world's largest all-terrain AT120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions. For example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S-64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. The JF990 from Jekko combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet, the telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. You see a universal excavator planer UDS-224 on the chassis of a Kamaz vehicle. The machine is used for excavation and quarry works, and in combination with interchangeable attachments, it is used in trenching, canals, at construction sites during road maintenance, tunnel and bridge maintenance, as well as repair of gas and oil pipelines. The main unique feature of this model is the absence of a separate engine to drive the superstructure of the machine, and the use of the Kamaz chassis power unit for these purposes. This allowed to make the superstructure lighter and shorter, and its operation easier and cheaper, giving the machine a modern design and better ergonomics. In a matter of seconds, the tree is on the ground, cut so cleanly that you can't even tell if there was a stump. All thanks to professional technology, which makes the cutting process so precise that the ground is left without a single trace. The Lagoon Crawler features a brand new remote control system with an integrated screen. The new controls allow users to maintain optimal functionality of the crawler, as well as control the new improved GPS mode. Proportional control with the new belly pack crawler robot provides detailed control through feedback mechanisms. The ability to efficiently and accurately control the crawler makes the mixing process safer and more reliable. With 4,000 psi pressure, this system delivers insane torque to the wheel drives. An upgraded intelligent traction control system prevents wheel lockup by directing more oil to the right wheel. This allows the crawler to get out of steeper potholes than previous models. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, two new AROX trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the two impressive AROX with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. The TV1000 Plus Performance Line snowplow is a self-propelled, high-speed snowplow designed for airport snow removal and capable of handling all types of snow from 3.2 to 6.5 feet deep. The snowplow is mounted on a purpose-built chassis and features a unique flying cab. This means that the cab is located behind the milling unit in the first position, but can be easily slid forward and on top of the milling unit for optimal visibility while working. The cab is not permanently fixed to the milling machine and is little affected by vibrations of all kinds. The model is equipped with two diesel engines that provide the power needed to clear up to 8,500 tons of snow per hour. The Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane by Erickson Air Crane was originally developed for the U.S. Army, as was a civilian version. But later, the purpose of this aircraft was revised, and it began to be prepared mainly for firefighting. The S-64 is equipped with a tank with a capacity of 10,000 liters for the transportation and dumping of fire retardant. It proved to be very successful and is used literally all over the world to prevent seasonal climatic fire risks. The aircraft has a reinforced airframe and increased propeller blade area, which increases the external payload from 20,000 to 25,000 pounds. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. Discover the Westech Woodcracker C550 Feller Buncher, a true giant among tree shears that effortlessly handles the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In this video, this powerful machine demonstrates its capabilities by ridding an orange field of old windbreak trees that were taking away valuable moisture and blocking out light. But the most impressive part is the biomass from the work, which is recycled into nutritious fertilizer for the new trees, providing the necessary conditions for growth and fruiting. The Woodcracker C550 doesn't just remove obstacles, it takes care of future crops, turning problems into nutrients for new life. I can't imagine how long this process would take if it were done manually. However, it is good that there is a special machine that can take care of roadside areas in a much better and more productive way. The DAF 225X is an industrial-strength forest crop cutting and mulching system that can be mounted on most compact loaders or other specialized forestry machines. DAF brush cutters and mulchers are designed for vegetation control. Protective rings that limit the size of the bites significantly reduce the risk of blade holders breaking. Heat-treated, bolted forged knives that provide maximum resistance to impact and abrasion can be sharpened directly on the unit. The technique has a hydraulic pusher option, which is particularly useful when dealing with older trees, as it is a reliable way of indicating where larger trees will fall when they are felled. In nature, the element Titan means strength, reliability, and durability. These characteristics have been and remain key features in the development of Argus heavy-duty twin-shaft shredders. To guarantee the best results in a wide range of applications, the mobile shredders are equipped with a guide system as standard and are available in two different versions. Argus Titan VZ950E shredders feature a revolutionary quick-change shaft system, innovative SCU control, and a shaft designed to meet the most demanding requirements. Numerous applications for this shredder can be found in construction and demolition, shredding mixed scrap metal, car bodies, tire, household, and commercial waste recycling, as well as composting and wood processing facilities. The Narva E24 Energy Head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. It connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. The process of winding the ribbon into spools of certain sizes will definitely reduce your work time, because winding them by hand can be long and tedious. Bobcat Sand Cleaner, on the loader of the same name, is an attachment that helps the operator quickly and easily clear the working surface of debris and small objects. Its installation is carried out with the patented system, BobTac, which provides a safe and secure attachment of the device on the base machine. Thanks to this technique, the operator quickly and efficiently sifts sand and cleans it from various small debris, bottle caps, glass shards, woods, as well as cans, stones, plastic bags, syringes, algae, and other debris. The working width of the attachment is 1900 millimeters. The depth is up to 200 millimeters, and the bucket capacity is 350 liters. The cleaning area is up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. High productivity is complemented by the possibility of unloading from a height by lifting levers on the loader, which allows easy dumping of garbage into a dump truck. Using robotics and advanced software technology, Gecko Robotics is changing the inspection of industrial assets. They have created intelligent robots that climb the walls of power plants, pipelines, and other critical industrial structures, searching for problems. Gecko's newest robot, Toka 4, provides about 99% coverage. With the intelligent robotic solutions that Gecko Robotics creates, companies can get data and analytics that can predict failures before they happen. This advanced attachment from Payet features a unique and reliable gravity drive and hydraulic cylinder function with a multi-section telescopic boom. The reloader provides greater digging and ground removal power for increased productivity and efficiency. The compact telescopic boom design is ideal for complex excavation projects, underground and/or underwater, with vertical walls. Common projects include foundation work, narrow excavation, shafts, subway stations, subway parking lots, underground reconstruction, and canal clearing, to name a few. Suitable for any excavator of any make from 6 to 80 tons. Menzimuck excavator model M545 is a unique technique built on a high-tech chassis and a special boom capable of performing work of any complexity. The presence of hydraulic cylinders allows optimizing transport on different types of soil. Thanks to its unique design, the 9.5-ton machine produces power that can be compared with a classic 20-ton crawler excavator. It is safe to say that the M545 is a truly versatile machine with a proven boom, reliable chassis, hydraulic hose system, panoramic cab, and a wide range of attachments. With the arrival of the Construction 3D printer, the tasks for the rest of the workforce have become much easier. Notice the precision and perfect lines it generates. The results are truly impressive. You are looking at the most versatile mobile shredder for garbage and car tires in particular, with superior capacity and performance. The Tana Shark 440 D-Teco has many unique features and is designed to shred the widest range of materials. This industrial waste shredder allows complete control of particle size from 2 to 20 inches with minimal operating expenses. This provides time and cost savings, as shreddings can be accomplished in just one pass. The machine's information management system allows you to calculate production efficiency, including cost and profit per ton, as well as evaluate the performance of different operators by comparing the volumes they shredded over a specific period of time, such as a one-work shift. In the world of agricultural technology, a real wizard has appeared, capable of reducing the time and effort involved in cutting logs. This mechanized saw does more than just do its job, it dances with the logs, showing art and enthusiasm in every movement. Why bother with an axe when there is a rotating miracle machine that turns wood into perfect logs in seconds? This tool not only saves time and effort, but also guarantees perfect results. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Auger torque trenchers are quickly gaining a reputation as the most reliable and versatile units on the market today. The labor-intensive task of trenching has been transformed by the advent of such powerful machinery. The auger torque range of trenchers is available for a wide range of mini loaders, skid steers, backhoes, and excavators weighing up to 10 tons and covering depths up to 4.9 feet and widths up to 1.14 feet, with soil being neatly stacked to the side of the trencher by the rotating auger. Using only the highest quality hydraulic motors, providing flow rates of up to 150 liters per minute, and a planetary gearbox means this equipment has the reliability and power to make trenching easy. The Matterhorn-Gothard-Bahn vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people on one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. Process logs easily, quickly, and efficiently with the new Avant mini loader and the attachable log splitter. The Versatoc log splitter attachment cuts logs into manageable chunks for firewood for cold winter nights. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. A 4-way splitting wedge is standard equipment to split the product into 2 or 4 pieces. A 6-way wedge is available as an option. Wedge height adjustment is done manually as standard, with hydraulic height adjustment available as an option. The truck-mounted concrete pump from Zoomlion is a 160-foot long truck-mounted pump with high-volume concrete pumping capacity. The maximum pumping capacity is 180 meters cubed per hour, which means a highly efficient design that is mounted on a 4-axle truck with enhanced off-road capability and maneuverability. The hydraulic system is fully automated, and high precision at the production stage guarantees stability and reliability of the overall system. And the one-sided opening of the side outriggers allows safe operation in difficult and narrow areas. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SBS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. A primary ripper that is designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soils, rocks, or stumps. It's all about the rocks gone, H4. This hydraulic refinator was designed specifically to help alleviate soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The innovative refinator H4 has a working width of 118 inches and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is significantly denser than good concrete. Farmers can typically process about 10 acres per day with the refinator H4, which can run faster than many other deep ripping machines. Even at the best of times, concrete can be tricky to work with, and not having the right tools for the job can result in a poor quality concrete mix and even a messy cleanup that could very well set you back for hours. Loading, mixing, and delivering concrete around the job site is made easy with this skid steer concrete paver from the renowned Hymac Attachments. With a hydraulic opening at the bottom of the attachment, as well as a removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This curbside concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model is capable of mixing and transporting up to 600 liters of concrete in a single load. Autonomous machines are arguably the smartest tools that are ideal for getting the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently. That's why the natural gas electric wheel loader, jointly developed by Robo and DH Technologies, provides fully autonomous material handling and truck loading with high productivity, clean emissions, and revolutionary efficiency. Well, what else do you need to get great results? This is what the Flygo weed brush looks like in action. The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions from 30 to 90 degrees. The unit comes standard with a dirt trap, so foreign objects now cannot be irrevocably removed from the path of the machinery. The weed brush requires a capacity of about 25 liters and one double-acting connection. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. The Torsus Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Torsus is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available. Due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions, proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Line-X ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. Building Robotics has developed its autonomous track loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology similar to that found in unmanned vehicles and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. When some company specializes in various types of land, road, and hydraulic engineering works, as well as soil surveys and foundation pile testing, you have to come up with new variants of technical helpers. Apparently, this is why Brocious has created its 3-pile 5 with swing axles, which has a load capacity of 95 tons. The load-bearing capacity of these piles is tested with just such an impressive machine, specially designed and built for this purpose. So no complex operations will now be a hindrance for the company in carrying out the work. The Husky eMotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. The 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup. This versatile machine handles all soil conditions with unrivaled fuel efficiency and amazing loading speeds. By mounting 2 K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor, or ATV, this unit can move a whopping 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just one 450 horsepower power unit. JCB telescopic loaders of Agri-Low-Doll model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 Newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. Don't pay your attention that in this video, a CAT Model 993 loader is being hauled for dismantling. You'll increase the profitability of your business by utilizing a rugged design that can withstand multiple overhauls in the most demanding loading conditions. Features include standard and optional machine features that are designed to improve visibility during loading operations, including installable drop-down window shades and heated mirrors, as well as a lighting package that provides an excellent view of the work area. The optional CAT MineStar Detect system includes cat vision and object detection, which combines radar and camera systems to alert operators to light vehicles and fixed hazardous objects near the machine. Meet the Rototilt R3, the master of manipulation for excavators weighing between 6 and 12 tons. With a breakout torque of 85 kilonewton-meters, this unit is rewriting the rules of the game for the most compact machines. Whether it's construction or cleaning railroad tracks with a special mounted rotating brush, the R3's integrated slewing mechanism promises unmatched precision and performance, supported by 250-bar hydraulics. With its central lubrication system and load-holding valves, every task becomes easier. When you need to receive numerous brochures or other printed material, and even in the ideal design, the best way to do this is, of course, with a specially trained technician. Imagine how instantly slicing food magically frees up tons of time for you. Now, add in a specialized machine that takes all the hard work, and there you have it, the pure pleasures of a process that not only saves time, but also makes cooking preparation a real fun. Kubler's Spedition transported several large ship parts from point A to point B for further transportation. The Inland Waterway Transportation Vessel, MS Udding, arrived in Bavaria Roth. The excursion ship arrived from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in two parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck of the said company on a large highway. Transportation on the highway was a challenge for all involved because of the dimensions. The ship is 223 feet long, almost 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs about 5 million euros. You can see for yourself how this powerful forklift handled such a seemingly impossible task. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. The Schwingstetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism, and thus offers unique mobility during use. To reinforce the building, the rock under the facade had to be carefully and precisely milled using a 25-ton crawler excavator with an EKT 100 drum milling machine. This equipment was used to precisely excavate the rock from under the building with minimal vibration to make way for the required foundation. The excavator and milling combination then dug trenches for all further services. And thanks to the excavator's 3D slope control system, this was extremely fast and accurate. Have you ever wondered what technology is behind fast and efficient ditching in peatlands? Get to know the OJK Auger Ditcher, designed especially for this task. Thanks to their powerful auger, they can easily handle trees, roots, and stumps, allowing you to work even on frozen ground. Interestingly, only one pass is enough to create a ditch. In addition, thanks to the clever design, the peat is thrown away over a distance, ensuring an even distribution over the entire length of the ditch. The hydraulic backplates prevent the material from flowing back into the ditch, which is especially important when cleaning old ditches. This striking-looking 350 horsepower self-driving truck combines a 30-ton dump truck and a trailer with an extended chassis. In addition to the monster under the hood, the Larrington Chaser has 8 750 50 by 30.5 wheels and a tread pattern that quickly clears mud from the tires. The company's goal was to keep the weight of the truck as low as possible while maintaining strength and improving smoothness. Therefore, the chassis was redesigned with air suspension axles, and a third steer axle was added to the rear of the trailer. A 20-ton ejector housing was added, which allows the trailer to pivot at the front and unload the load into a truck or trailer parked on the road or headland. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.